Hello everyone, and welcome back to our Cozy Corner. If you are looking for a peaceful and stress-free way to improve your English, you are in the perfect place. Today, we have a very special episode for all our beginners and self-learners out there.
That's right. Hey there, everyone. We're diving into a topic that many of our viewers have asked about. How can you actually use the 1-minute stories on our Cozy English Story channel to boost your English skills?
Yes, because learning a language shouldn't feel like a chore. It should feel like a warm cup of tea on a rainy afternoon. Our short storybook-style videos are designed to be beautiful, but they're also powerful learning tools if you know how to use them correctly.
Exactly. So let's break it down into simple steps. What is the very first thing a beginner should do when they open one of our short stories?
Step number 1 is simple. Just listen. Don't worry about understanding every single word on the first try. Just close your eyes or look at the beautiful watercolor artwork and try to get the general feeling of the story.
I love that advice. Too many people panic when they hear a word they don't know, but for beginners, especially at the A2 level, catching the main keywords is the secret. If the story is about Emma sitting by a rainy window with a mug of tea, you just need to catch words like rain, warm, and quiet.
Precisely. Your brain is smarter than you think. It naturally builds a picture of the scene. Once you've listened to it once or twice just for the vibe, you're ready for step 2.
Step 2 is where we bring in the visual connection, right? Watching the text on screen.
Yes. On our channel, we always make sure the text is clean, bold, and easy to read. On your second or third listen, read along with the voice. Watch how the words look on screen and listen to how they sound when spoken. This connects your reading skills with your listening skills at the same time.
And that brings us to one of the most powerful language learning techniques ever, shadowing. Have you tried this, listeners? It's when you pause the video after a sentence and repeat it out loud.
Oh, shadowing is magic for your pronunciation. You don't just want to copy the words, you want to copy the rhythm, the pauses, and the soft tone of the speaker. Since our stories are read slowly and calmly, they are absolutely perfect for beginners to practice speaking without feeling overwhelmed.
That makes so much sense. It trains your mouth muscles to speak English naturally. But what about vocabulary? Our stories often use beautiful, poetic words like lingering, sanctuary, or untangling the day. How should beginners handle those?
My recommendation is to pick just 1 or 2 new words from each video. Don't try to memorize 10 words at once. Just write down 2 words that you find beautiful in a small journal.
Just 2? That feels very doable.
Yes, small steps lead to big results. Write them down, look up their simple meanings, and try to make your own short sentence with them before you go to sleep. For example, if the word is cozy, you can write, "My bed is very cozy tonight."
That's wonderful because it immediately connects the new word to your real life. Plus, our community is so supportive. You can even type your practice sentences right in the comments section under the video, and we will read them.
Yes, we love reading your comments and interacting with you all. Connecting with other learners makes the journey so much sweeter and less lonely. Remember, Emma is always here in our story universe to remind you that it's okay to slow down, take a deep breath, and be proud of your progress.
Beautifully said. Learning English is a journey, not a race. By spending just 1 or 2 minutes a day with our stories, practicing listening, reading, and shadowing, you will see a massive improvement over time.
Thank you so much for sitting in our cozy corner today. Don't forget to subscribe to Cozy English Story, hit the notification bell, and share this with a friend who is also learning English.
Stay cozy, keep practicing, and we will see you in the next story. Bye-bye.